Now in this video, I'm going to show you how you can restore your Google Play app if you have lost it completely on your phone and you can't find it. Now in most cases, if you have accidentally deleted your Google Play app, you can easily retrieve it through your settings under App Manager, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. But there are cases where you have lost your Google Play app and you can't even find it in App Manager. This is more especially if you had deleted your Google Play app while the phone was in developer mode. But for an ordinary user, if your Google Play app is missing, all you need to do is to go to settings. And once you're on settings, go to apps. And from apps, look for the option called manage apps. And this will expose all the apps that are on your smartphone. Go through them and you should be able to find Google Play. And most importantly, you'll find that it has been disabled. So you'll need to go ahead and enable it and everything will be fine. But for my case, as you can see, I don't have Google Play app on this smartphone, and it's also missing on all my apps in my smartphone. The Google Play app is not there. Even if I go to Google Tools, you can see it is not there. It is missing, and it is missing completely. So if you're in such a situation, there is only one way you can use to restore your Google Play, and that is to format your smartphone. So all you need to do now is go to your settings and then go to additional settings. And then here you can see the reset factory option. Now the reason why you don't see your Google Play is because you have the developer option. You had enabled the developer option on your smartphone and it is on, as you can see here. So if your developer option was on and you deleted your Google Play, you can't restore it. So all you need to do is to go and reset factory your smartphone. And here you need first to back up all your data, all your images. Make sure that you have backed them up or you have stored them in a safe place where you can get them back, because this will erase all the data on your smartphone. Now once you have done that, your phone will have a fresh new restart, and then you'll find now you'll be able to see your Google Play on your smartphone. So that's how you restore a lost Google Play app on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.